Welcome aboard the Aussie Trains YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey as we explore trains around the world, from the majestic steam engines of yesteryears to the cutting-edge bullet trains of today. Join us as we traverse through diverse landscapes and cultures, experiencing the heartbeat of rail travel across continents. So, sit back, relax, and let the rhythmic hum of the tracks take you on a captivating voyage. Whether you're a seasoned rail enthusiast or simply curious about the world of trains, this journey promises to be an unforgettable ride.